Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. The International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation 2026 was observed on which date? Right answer is option C, 6th February. The International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation is observed on 6th February each year to raise global awareness against female genital mutilation. Who launched the Chakra Center of Excellence initiative? Right answer is option B, State Bank of India. SBI launched the Chakra Center of Excellence to support financing of sunrise sectors and boost investment in next generation industries. The Thaipusam Festival 2026 was celebrated in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Thaipusam is a Hindu festival celebrated mainly by the Tamil community in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and also by Tamil population in countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and Mauritius. Veerabhadran Ramanathan, an Indian origin scientist, received which prestigious award, often referred to as the Nobel Prize of Geosciences? Right answer is option D, Kraft Food Prize. Indian origin climate scientist Veerabhadran Ramanathan won the Kraft Food Prize 2026 for his contributions to climate science. The award given by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences recognizes achievements in fields like geosciences that are not covered by the Nobel Prize. In which state will India's first national UAV testing and innovation corridor be established? Right answer is option C, Odisha. The Odisha government partnered with startup Bonvi Aero to establish India's first national UAV test and innovation corridor at Rangilunda Ganjam district, repurposing a commercial airport into a real world drone testing facility. Nivedita Dubey has been appointed as director of which organization? Right answer is option B, Airports Authority of India. Nivedita Dubey has assumed charge as member on the board of the Airports Authority of India, becoming the first woman officer ever inducted into the AAI board. A bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi was reportedly stolen in February 2026 from which location in Australia? Right answer is option C, Australian Indian Community Centre, Melbourne. The bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi weighed about 420 to 426 kg and was a gift from the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, symbolizing peace, unity, and Indian Australian friendship. Which state chief minister launched Pillu AI? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Pillu AI, India's first voice based billing and accounting AI agent for small and medium businesses, was launched by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu. Which scheme is designed to provide industry relevant skill training to persons with disabilities in sectors such as IT, AVGC, hospitality, and food and beverage? Right answer is option C, Divyangjan Kaushal Yojana. The Union Minister of Finance announced Divyangjan Kaushal Yojana, which offers skill training for persons with disabilities in sectors like IT, AVGC, hospitality, and F&B, with 200 rupees crore funding. Which state announced a rupees 50 crore grant to preserve the heritage of the Darang kings of the Koch dynasty? Right answer is option A, Assam. On 2nd February 2026, during Mahabir Chillarai Divas in Darang, Assam government announced a rupees 50 crore grant to preserve the heritage of the Darang kings, promoting tourism and cultural pride. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.